Hi there. Please let me introduce Bo Crow, and we are today here to share why we partner with you, Penny Realty and AGP Plumbing. So our owners' properties and our tenants benefit from your high quality standards and highly competitive pricing. If an individual is seeking a great plumber or contract services, why should they select your company, Bo?
We bring in our own contractors, and so we do not subcontract out. We have many people in the office that are used to property management, so we have great communication and great follow-up. And we have competitive rates to make sure that we're cost efficient for your company. I would say that it's a one-stop shop for us. So if we go out and we perform any type of service, we take pride in the fact that it's all within house. So under one blanket, we can do everything from dig ups on slab leaks. We can do everything from general contracting to drywall to painting.
Oh.
So complete remodels is pretty much one of our specialties. We can do painting, drywall, flooring, everything except for roofing and solar, basically.
That's awesome. And I know you're very responsive. You know, that's one of the reasons too we really enjoy working with you. You know, when we have issues, our owners and our tenants, they want it fixed, repaired now, yesterday.
Correct.
So
we take great pride in that. We have multiple people in our office. We have an office up in Kearney Mesa, so that way we have a 1-hour response time, even after hours on emergencies. We take pride in the fact that when we receive work orders from the companies, that we respond back, hey, we've received this, we've scheduled it out, and we even try to go a step further and letting companies know who our technicians will be that are going to be out on the job site. So that way the tenants know what their name is, plus along you guys will know who's going out to service your property.
Right, that sounds really great. Well, I appreciate you taking the time to come in today, and you know, being that you are one of the vendors we use on a regular basis, it's important for us to share you with our clients and make everybody feel comfortable that we have highly competent vendors working for Penny Realty.
Wonderful. Well, we love partnering with Penny.
Thank you very much. I appreciate your time, Bo.
Thank you.
Take care.